Okay, fine. Now we stopped at this defining this navigation main. Here I have defined the width and the height and the color, background color. Now we'll try to save this. We'll save this, and he also will save. And we'll open the page and see. Here, you will get the navigation bar here. Okay, you get the navigation bar. Okay. This pixel range can be changed into our preference. No, you can't change that one because you have to work according to this way. Okay, that 50 pixel, 1000 pixel mean. Okay, very good question. Now here you can't change. You have to put exactly what they are giving. Okay, so you can't change according to your wish. Okay, so that is not possible. Okay, very good. Hope it is clear. Right, thanks. Right, now, okay, now that I have done that part, now you can see here, clearly see here, here I have to put this mass row of text. When I click here, it should open the that mass row HTML. So how can I do that one? Here see, so inside this my navigation class, so if I want to create a hyperlink, so I will use my anchor tag. So here a anchor. So what I want to link, I want to link the href is equal to mass row HTML and here mass rover page. Okay, clear? Then what happened? Let me save this one. Control S. I will reload. Right. It has come here. Okay, it has come here. Right. So then when you click here, it will open the page. So that is that. So, but still it's not completed, that part. Okay, you see that they are giving, so you can see in the question, there is a no underline for this one. But here, when we see here, when we see in a page, in the page, if you see here, so you have got to underline and okay. So then what you have to do is for that one, we have to include, okay. So we have to include a tag. We have to include a style. So here we will say a text decoration will say none. So when you say like that way, when you again, if you reload the page, so you see that underline is not there, but still it is not correct, that position is wrong. So right, still, so then we'll go back to the question and see is there any more information is there. So I have done that part. Right. Here that navigation bar is shown in the create a hyperlink also I have done. Right. So then, so that color is, since it is not clear, we will make that, we'll apply for some style for that one. So what I do is I am going to apply some style for this text. Okay, I'm going to apply some style for this text. So what I do is, carefully see here. So here I will, see inline style. I'm going to use a span tag. Span. Here see span. Span tag. Span ID is equal to, I'll put rover. Rover. So for the, okay. So then inside the span tag only, we will have this link here. Okay. Right. Now what I do is, now for the span tag, since I have used ID here, so I'll be saying, hash. So I have used ID there, so hash rover. Right. So I will, for that text, so I will be saying background color. So I'll be saying background color light blue. So we'll see the effect of this one now. Okay, control S. So please see here. Now if I reload it here, right. Now it is giving some light blue there. Right. So then, okay. So here, then when you see this one, so that uh, rover here, so and so we have to this when you see the question here, when you see the question, this it is going inside. Okay, so what I have to do is, so I will say here, I will give a margin left. I will put margin left. So margin left. So I will put 20 px. Okay, margin left for this one 20 px, control S. So now we'll open and see margin left. Okay, it has gone right. Then, okay, so then you can see in the question, you can see the text inside the text, there is a padding is available. So then what you do is, for that one margin, so here you can say padding is 5px. So we'll put padding and C, control S. Okay, then that is done. But it's still some more issues are there. So what to do is, so then it has to be come down. It has to come down. So what you do is, when you go to the navigation main, okay, we'll we'll say line height. Okay. So we'll say line height is 50px. Then just put 50px and see. Then it will take 50px for the line. Control is. Okay, now it is correct. Okay, so it is, okay, now that part is done. Okay, so here it's open the page here when I click. So then it is done. So this is a style you have to carefully see. So when you have line height 50px is this for the line, it takes 50px. So then it will nicely coming here. Okay, so that is about the. So then we have completed up to actually we have completed up to this part. Now carefully see here. Here you have two areas, text area and the image area. Okay, text area and the image area. So both are 50 pixel, 500 into 500 pixels. Okay, here also 500 into 500 pixel. So what you do is then I will go to my style sheet. So then here, okay. Okay, then I'll go to the, I'll say section here, section. Okay, inside the section, I will have two areas. Okay, I will have two areas. We'll say article, we'll say simply say article class, text area. So that is one. So then this part is okay. Then again, article class, then class image area. Okay, clear, right? So then what I have to do? I have to define those classes in my CSS. So text area, and yes, I will say here text area class, text area. Okay, text area class is what they are given. They are given with this 500 pixel. With this 500 pixel, say height is 500 pixel. So with this 500 pixel, height is 500 pixel. Text is float right. So very important thing is you have to say float right. So don't forget this float right, otherwise this will not work properly. So we'll say float right. That means text will come right side of your page. So because if you see here, if you see, text will be right side. So then for the image area, so how do you know this is 500 pixel, 500 pixel? Because in the question they are given here, 500, don't change this 500 or anything. So you have to clearly say this is 500 to 500. So here, then the image area, what you do? So then we have an image area class. So here you can just copy this Control C, Control V. So here what you have to do carefully, you have to change this. So here you have to change plot. So I have made a mistake here. Sorry, I have made a text is actually left. Okay, I'm sorry. Text is left. Text is left and image is right. No, you have to see carefully here. So the image is right side. No, I have put it wrong way. So image is right side and text is left. You see, text left, right. So you have to see the text and the image. Text is left side and image is right. So according to that only you have to put it. Okay, flat right and flat left. Right. Okay, that part is okay. Right. Then, so then we will see the question here. Okay, text. You see, insert the heading space is interesting as shown in the wireframe. Position the text and images shown on the wireframe. The text and images can be found in the assets folder. Set and emphasize on heading. So we will complete the heading part now. Okay, heading. We have to put a heading here. So what is the heading? This heading we are going to put it. Space is inter. So right. So you know heading mean they fit. So then we have to they can use the so H1 tag here. So we can use H1 tag here. H1. So we can say space is interesting. EST. Space is interesting. H1 tag. Okay, then you can put the EM tag. So EM tag. Okay, right. So let me now save this control S. Here also I say control S. So something wrong here. Image area control S. So I will come to my page. Reload. All right. Okay, something wrong here. Okay, so it should be, it is there. We'll see what we can, we'll check it this one. Okay, space is interesting. It is going out. So we'll see what is that mistake. Okay, text area. Okay, section. Article text area. So with this equal to H1 EM tag. Space is okay. I have put the div tag here. This should be all should be in the container. So here it should be the div tag should be here. Okay, now I will save this control S. So let me check it here. Okay, fine. So it is coming inside the bad code. Right. Okay. So then we had to do the other parts now. So here there are the text they are given here. So that is in the folder. So we will copy that text here. In the question for folder. So the background text is here. So we will copy this text, copy. So I'm going to put that text here. Okay, so I have, so here see, you can see here, there are 3 paragraphs. So it should be 3 paragraph. Okay, the sun, okay. So here it should be 3 paragraph. So here it should be 3 paragraph. Okay, now let me save this. Okay, it is going there. Something wrong here. Okay. Oh, I have put it in the text area. Yes, I have put the wrong place. So I have to put it in the text area. Okay, so we have to carefully do it. So the text area. So it is text area. Now let me save this. Control S. Now we'll see. Okay, now this is okay. Okay, now text has come this side. Okay. Then now he see okay, then so paragraph, okay. So here I have put the H1EM tag is closed, H1 is closed. Okay. So then now we will okay, we will put the images. Okay. So how do you put the images? Okay. Okay, I will put the images now. So I have the style here. In that image area I have defined plot right. So image source. Here, here what is the folder you have? In the asset folder. You see, images are in the asset folder. Okay, in the asset folder. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to 8, 9 images you have. That means we have to put 3 images per row. So I'll be saying assets, images, image 1.jpg. So that is for the one image. Okay. So then, so let me Control C, Control V. So how many came? 3, 6, 9. Okay, so then I will rename this as 2 and this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, right. Let me check this. Control S. Okay. So image, so okay. Right. Now when I reload this page, right. So the images are okay. Now the images has come. Okay, right. So then see that images part is okay. Right. So right. Then only the remaining part is the footer part. Okay. Right. Okay. So then we'll quickly do the footer also. Right. So then footer. So okay. Now we will do the footer part. So now we read the question. Uh, Insert the copyright space text. Create an email link to the text info space dot uk. Style the text to be yellow. Right. How to do this one? Right. So then, first of all, we will create the email link and see how the things goes. Right. So then what I do is here, you can see section. This part is okay. Then I will minimize the easy for me. Another section. So this part is okay. Section part is okay. Then that okay. So navigation, that section is the image and the text. Now I will open the footer. So footer, okay, footer class, footer. Then what I do is, so again, I will create an anchor to create the emailing A. So href is equal to mail to info at space tech dot co dot uk. So copyright space tech. Okay. Then when you define the footer, so then you have to give the width and the height. Okay. So I will do that part also quickly. Then I will say I'll create my footer. So we'll say height is say height is 1000 pixel. Sorry, height is 50 pixel. 50 pixel, and we'll give a background color. So we'll give background color as dark blue. Okay, Control S. So then I will save. I think HTML part I didn't save. Control S. Okay, something wrong in my footer. We'll check it. Why it is not coming? Yeah, I didn't call this class. Okay, I didn't call this class, so I'll say class equal to my footer. So control is okay. I'll save this style sheet or control is. Here also control is. It's ref. Okay. So here reload. Uh, Okay. Important thing is when you are using a footer, so you have to say clear both. Okay. So they are in top. You have used uh, right and left for the images and uh, text you put left, image you put right. Then when you come to here, say you have to say clear both. Now it should work. We'll see. Yes. Okay. Now little okay. Be careful. So don't forget this part. So when you are doing it, okay. So that here this part here, the text area you have to put float left. Okay. So then the image area you have put float right. Definitely when you come to the uh, uh, footer, you have to put clear both. So only this few part is remaining. So we'll do it next time. So it is getting 10 o'clock. So we'll see you on next week. Anything before I stop? Yes, only the few parts are missing. We'll finish next time. So anything you want to ask? Okay, thank you. I will share the link to you with, I'll upload and share the link with you. Okay, thank you so much, Ravi. Okay, God bless you.